Imagine a world where the sun not only nurtures crops, but also doubles farmers' incomes while reducing food waste almost to zero. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality at Fortis Invicta's Integrated Circular Economy Hub in the Gambia. At this innovative center, the simple act of solar drying is giving a new life to surplus harvests by transforming them into high-value products that last much longer. Farmers are drying mangoes, tomatoes, and vegetables at their peak freshness, which significantly cuts down post-harvest losses. This process not only stabilizes prices, but also grants farmers access to global export markets. The magic doesn't end there. This initiative is powered entirely by renewable energy, proving that spoilage can transform into profit. It strengthens food security and creates much-needed green jobs, especially for women and young people. This incredible transformation is part of a broader vision, a climate-smart agriculture approach that builds prosperity right from the ground up. Fortis Invicta's revolution extends to the Integrated Modular Refinery, halal abattoir, fruit and vegetable dehydration, and agro-waste valorization. Join us as we witness how sustainability meets innovation to reshape food systems and rural economies. Visit dubinvic.com to learn more.